Are you looking for a house in the heart of West Bend? This home embraces the unique aspects of living in town, whether it's schools, proximity to shops and restaurants, or the trails to the west. Let's go inside and have a look. This well-organized home features 1,048 square feet of functional space, highlighted by the vaulted ceilings with skylights, open concept living with new contemporary gas fireplace, and accessible outdoor space. The kitchen is the anchor to the communal living space and recently updated with cabinets, counters, and stainless steel appliances. The 3 spacious bedrooms allow for ample room for guests or your in-home office. The front and back have been recently landscaped and irrigated, allowing for ample area to spread out. The new parking pad has room for your van or RV, as there is no HOA. This quaint and established neighborhood is a great place to be, surrounded by all the things we love to do. Give us a shout for your private showing. Thanks so much for having a look.